This is a popular demand. I'll be making a tutorial video on how to dance Igbo cultural dance, but I will just be teaching 5 basic steps for beginners. If you don't have any idea on how to dance Igbo cultural dance, this video is for you. And if you are new in this channel, this is the first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I post my lovely videos. Thank you. Let's get into the video. So here is the first step. While you move your hand, I'll be keeping this because this is kind of for advanced. We'll get to how to use this, but for now, let's make this tutorial with our hands. Okay, so this movement involves your hand, your shoulder, and your leg. You bring your leg forward. When you bring your leg forward, you might start off with this leg, but me, I prefer to use this leg. So when you bring this leg forward, make sure your hand, as your leg is coming forward, your hand is following, and when your leg is going backward, your hand is dropping and you are bringing the next leg. So like this, back, this, back. When you open your hand, your leg follows, and when you close it, it goes back in, like. So you will not want to add your body movement, because I will tell you one thing with Igbo cultural dances, you have to wear a big smile. Whether or not you know what you are dancing, you need to put on a very fat smile. And second is to have pride. You dance with shakara. Let's give it a try with making, I said 3 things. You are making use of your leg, your hands, and your body. So let's involve our body, because this is basically just our leg and our hand. So now, when we involve our body, we would like to, when we are bringing out our hand, let our body do the magic. Like, just move your body. Don't be stiff. Move your body. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 1. And you want to bend down. As when you are about to bring out your first leg, just try to squat down a little, so it will give it this beautiful movement, this body movement. So when you are bringing out your leg, you just bend down a little, maybe you can give it a style, maybe you want to move your shoulder sideways. So this is for the first step. Okay, music. So we'll be practicing with music now. Okay, that's all for the first one. That's all for the first step. So we move right in to the second step. Okay, the second step is this. When your leg goes in, it will be going in. This is like the easiest step in the Igbo cultural dance. When your leg and your hand goes in and out, just like this. This is like the basic, the simplest of them all. When your hand and your leg goes in and out. So here is it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. When you want to make it more beautiful, move your leg. This your leg. Don't let it stiff. Do it as if you are. When you are moving this leg, try to move this as well. Don't keep it. But you can always leave it like this. But to make it more beautiful, when you move this leg, when this comes forward, like, are you see what I'm doing? So in all the Igbo steps, you must make use of your body. That's like pride, making use of your body, putting on smile. Don't forget this. I will add more as we proceed with the tutorial. So this is it. 1, 2. So let's practice this with music, from our first step to the second one with music. This dance is basic, but it's one of the finest. When you are dancing, is try to mellow down, try to be fast as you can. I told you, you can always leave your feet out of your leg, but you can always move it like so. This for the 2. And the third step, I'll be teaching you